Havis offers the all-in-one solution for your Zebra ET4x tablets and workflow accessibility with their rugged in-vehicle docking solutions. With over 80 years of superior mobility solutions, they are your trusted advisors. Havis Docking Stations remove the complexity out of going digital in a variety of demanding environments, giving complete workflow accessibility inside work trucks, waste management vehicles, and more. With an innovative, fully rugged design that allows for easy one-handed docking and undocking of your Zebra ET4x tablets, you'll excel in any field service environment with an all-in-one solution that incorporates power, docking, COM ports, and more. Inside the warehouse, Havis mounts deliver superior productivity on forklifts and other warehouse applications, keeping your team connected with easily accessible buttons, ports, and scanners. So if you're ready to simplify your workforce deployments and empower your team, contact Havis today.